Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in Practice, episode 1 of 10. What is Odoo? Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. Odoo is an ERP, one business system whose apps share the same database. Sales, purchase, inventory, invoicing, CRM, employees, and a shop floor do not live in 5 different tools. A customer, a product, and an invoice are the same records everywhere. Community is open source. Enterprise adds extra apps and support. You install what you need. The idea stays the same. One company, one database, documents that flow. Who is it for? Traders, manufacturers, distributors, service firms, and e-commerce teams that outgrew spreadsheets. If sales types in WhatsApp, the warehouse uses Excel, and accounts close in another book, you are the audience. Why use it? Because retyping a quote into a delivery and then into an invoice is expensive. Stock is wrong. Cash looks fine until month end. In Odoo, the quotation becomes the order can become a delivery, the delivery can become an invoice. Same partner, same products, same accounts. Look at the home menu. That grid is the product. Open sales, inventory, invoicing. They talk to each other. This is the home menu on Odoo 19. Each tile is an app. They share one company. Sales holds quotations and orders, the start of the document flow. Inventory is receipts, deliveries, and on-hand quantity. Invoicing bills what you delivered. It is not a second typing job. 3 takeaways. 1. One database of apps. 2. You need it when sales, stock, and money must tell the same story. 3. Learn quote, order, delivery, invoice before you buy connectors. You now know what Odoo is. One company, one database, documents that flow. Watch episode 2 next. Company, users, and apps. Before you type a quotation, Odoo needs the company name, the currency, who is allowed to log in, and which apps to install first. Do not skip it. Thank you for listening to Odoo in Practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.